Welcome to class 6 Surfing Internet chapter part 2. Hope children you have all revised the first part of the surfing internet. So today we will just see a quick revision of the same chapter and little more about surfing it. Hope you are all safe. Yes, this picture shows you the global internet. So as we had discussed earlier, internet is nothing but a global network. So this pic depicts the same. Now, what is the definition of internet, or what do you mean by internet? Internet is nothing but a information super highway where more than one computer are connected through multiple networks, which is nothing but a internet. So, what do you mean by multiple networks? So, in the previous class, we had discussed LAN area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. When all these networks are connected throughout the globe, we get a internet. So then we have studied what are the different services on the internet, mainly about electronic mail or the email. So what is it email? Email is a service, very famous service where we can send and receive messages. So how do we actually work on the internet or browse on the internet or surf on the internet? So for this we need a small software and application called browsers. So, do you recollect the browsers which we had discussed? Yes, they are Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, and Internet Explorer. After that, we also had seen what are the two search engines, Google and Yahoo, through which we can search any information we want. So, here it again says the Internet stands for International Network of Computer. When multiple networks are connected throughout the globe, we call it as international network of computers. The internet is a network of networks. Internet consists of millions of computers spread across the world. So you all know that our world is very big. So how do we connect throughout the world? We need not lakhs, millions of computers. That way we say it consists of millions of computers which are connected throughout the world. The entire world has become a global village which we can access just with a mouse click through the internet. Is it not interesting, children? Yes. What is this www? www 3W. It is a World Wide Web where different web pages are connected together. By using the browser, we can surf the internet and get the information. So this World Wide Web contains millions of documents called web pages. Web pages are created or made by using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Languages. Since we cannot see the whole information on a single web page, different pages on a particular topic are connected, what we call as hyperlinks. So each of this web page can contain audio, video, text messages, and any other information we need. The next main use of internet e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is electronic commerce, that is we can do all commercial activities like buying and selling things, booking our rail tickets, air tickets, and so many other things can be done on our internet. That is e-commerce. So internet offers an easy way to do shopping, buy tickets for the movies, you can book your flight tickets, you can book your railway tickets, and many other facilities are available through e-commerce. What is chatting? You are all familiar. Chatting is nothing but conversing with your friends, relatives. So on the internet, we have chatting facilities like Skype, Google Talk, Messenger, through which you can send and receive text messages. Very next important use of the internet is video conferencing. Nowadays, you are all familiar. We do video conferencing with our far off relatives, our siblings, our parents, where we can do face to face conversation. We never feel that they are staying too far from us. This is nothing but thanks to our video conferencing, where we make use of the web cameras connected to our computers, and through the internet we can just have face-to-face conversation with our friends and relatives. Not only conversation, we can conduct business meetings, commercial meetings, and various other important office meeting through the video conferencing. It can be for medical purpose, it can be business purpose, political, any other social purpose. Even on the news channels you would have seen video conferencing. Next, what is social networking? Social networking is the grouping of individuals into specific groups where we can share our text, creativity and images over the internet. So the famous social networking site is Facebook. You would have seen your parents and your elders just browsing through the Facebook. So the famous social networking sites are Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and so on. So on LinkedIn, you can share your resume for applying for the jobs, call your recruiters and so on, where you can get a lot of job opportunities by posting on LinkedIn. Next, e-banking. What is e-banking? Electronic banking. Children, you all know, in the previous days we used to go physically to the bank, do various transactions like withdrawing the money or depositing the money. So nowadays, thanks to internet banking, we need not go physically to the bank. We can sit at home and do all types of transactions like right from opening your fixed deposits, creating your recurring deposits. You can do fund transfers and so on. You can also apply for the loans by means of a click. In this pic shows where we can withdraw our money through the ATMs. Next, this slide talks about online shopping sites. So this actually comes under e-commerce, where you can buy and sell your articles or products through the various sites. So you must be familiar with the sites shown here like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Make My Trip, where you can book your tickets. So hope you understood this very simple chapter, children. So please revise this. So along with this, you will be probably getting a notes also. So till next week, goodbye. Thank you. Stay safe.